Good morning. It's a hot day out here. First day of August. Probably, I don't know if it's 90 degrees yet, but it's hot. I came down here to check my garden. We had a little bit of a storm last night, and so I wanted to make sure my shade cloth survived. My garden's pretty well getting done. The potatoes have been dug. The onions have been dug. Basically all I have left is my jalapeno peppers, my tomatoes, and my zucchini. So come along with me and I'll give you a tour of what the garden looks like in the first day of August. This is a garden tour, August 1st, 2024. What's left of my garden. A lot of it's been put to bed. I put shade cloth up a few weeks ago. We had a windstorm last night, so it's starting to sag a little, but I have jalapeno peppers in tubs, wicking tubs. First year I've done that. I have 2 rows of tomatoes, and I had to raise my shade cloth because, as you can see, they're outgrowing, getting taller than what it was to start with. So I raised it. You can see I stuck a can under that one, bottle under that one, glass under that one, fruit jar under that one. And so that protects. It's supposed to lower the temperature by 10 degrees. And I think it does. It's nice and shade. Water gets through. They still get their breeze. These had potatoes in it, and I've already dug those. Okay, this is a little lower, but it's jalapeno peppers. Got some ripe. Those are, I think, Amish paste coming on. Jalapeno peppers. I've been freezing the big ones. Some of them are tam jalapenos, which gets supposedly larger. And they seem to, I just went to the greenhouse and bought large jalapenos for stuffing. Anyway, had to tie my tomatoes back up. This is where I had potatoes, and I just tilled up the ground, laid the potatoes right on top of the ground, covered them with straw, and that is the way to go. This bed had onions, which we've already done. This is my zucchini, which has been doing great. I picked it yesterday, so there's probably not, I see a little one in there. That's the door, goes into the chicken barn. Back there is the covered chicken pen, which is great. Have my water right down here by the garden. I can also open that door and turn the chickens out in the garden at the end of the season. Raised some sunflowers down here, but I won't do that again because I need to be able to mow. Okay, let's see. I have a little flower bed in the corner, which is past its time. Had beautiful hollyhocks on it. Shade cloth, like I said, way to go. Have a nice tree down here with chairs so that we can sit down here, enjoy the garden in the evenings. I'm going to cut these ends off these railroad ties. That's my fall project. I wished it was narrower, but it is what it is. I also had potatoes here. These are the ones I healed up, but I'm not going to do that anymore. My ex-husband built this nice drying rack for me, and I really like it. I have a water spigot right there. I can come over here and give them water. They need fresh water now. They have a automatic trail feeder that throws out grain to them twice a day. I'll show you the inside of the chicken barn here next. We have to put netting, of course, around all sides. The owls, the coons, the possums, everything wants to snack on chicken if I don't do that. Let's see, I have one here. I'll pick this. I'm going to make zucchini bread this afternoon.